Okay, so hopefully you're not in the same position as I am, but this slot seems to not work when I put anything in it. I get the 4 white lights and then the 2 amber lights. If I have something in here, perfectly fine. So I have 8 gigs here, and I have my other 8 gig stick here. I can put either of these into this port and it works fine. I don't have anything special here. I have tried putting a guitar pick underneath the RAM stick. So I'd put this here and then put this on top. That still didn't work. Trying to solve this problem because it's just not detecting that RAM. It looks to be fine. I don't know what to look for other than that it's clean, and if I can't get the camera to show it, but I've looked in there and you can see that I've cleaned a lot of the dust out of here. So yeah, I'm hoping to figure that out, but if anybody's got any fixes, that would be awesome.